Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing some snowflake nails. Let's jump into it. Alright y'all, so this is what I have so far for this design. I have a glitter nail, per usual, and then this pretty snowflake design on this one nail. And then this is going to be a glitter nail, of course. The background color that I'm using is called Dad Joke from Young Nails. And then the two stamping polishes I'll be using is this blue, and it is number 36. And then this really pretty purple, which is number 108. The stamping plate I'm going to be using is from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it has all these different snowflakes on it. Really pretty, and it is CJS C70. And then this is the glitter that I'm using, and it is called Galaxy from Glitter Boutique Canada. And I will be using the Flex Gel from Young Nails. Start off with our glitter nail. This in the light and let it cure for 60 seconds. And here's our nail, and we're going to go ahead and encapsulate. Put this in the light and cure it for 60 seconds. Here's our nail all cured. I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse this and then file it into shape. Filed and shaped. I'm gonna cleanse. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the stamping plate I'm going to use. This one does come with the clear sheet for you to figure out what ones you want to put on your nail, what will fit, what won't fit. On the middle nail, on this one, I did this design right here, which is super cute. I'm just gonna pick some random things to put on here. I might do this background on all of my nails, on all the nails, but then just do different snowflakes on top. That way it's kind of a cohesive look, using the big bling from Clear Jelly Stamper as well. Since I did the purple as the background for that, I'm going to do the blue this time and then do purple on top. keep it cohesive and do the blue as the background on this one too. And then do more snowflakes on that one. Snowflake nail. This is what our set looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put a top coat on these, and then I'll come back and show you the finished result. All right, y'all, this is the final result of these snowflake nails. I'm in love. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!